Ready to turn your audiobook narration into real income? Let's dive straight into linking your PayPal account to ACX, so you can receive those hard-earned royalty payments. First, head over to the ACX website and log into your account. Make sure you're using the same email and password you used when you signed up. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Account Settings tab, usually located at the top right of the page, and click on it. In the Account Settings, scroll down until you find the Payment Information section. This is where you'll manage how you get paid for your audiobook projects. You should see an option to add or update your PayPal information. Click on the Connect to PayPal or Update PayPal button, depending on whether you already have payment information added. This will redirect you to a secure PayPal login page within the ACX interface. Enter your PayPal email address and password to log into your PayPal account. PayPal will then ask you to grant ACX permission to receive payments. Review the permissions carefully and click Grant Permission or Agree to authorize ACX to access your PayPal account for royalty payments. Once you've granted permission, you'll be redirected back to the ACX Payment Information section. You should now see your PayPal email address displayed, confirming that your account is successfully linked. And that's it. You're all set to receive your audiobook royalties directly to your PayPal account.